This video is brought to you by Shine Armor and also South Motors Honda. Special thanks to South Motors Honda for allowing me to use their vehicle to use this cleaning product. But let's make our way to the rear of this beautiful Honda Civic Si. As you guys can see, the rear spoiler is dirty. It does have some caked up dirt and whatnot. So like I mentioned, Shine Armor is sponsoring this video. This is a fortified quick coat. So what this is, it does protect the paint and keeps dirt and grime off your vehicles, just in case you guys do not have time to actually pull out a actual bucket and hose, or even go through a car wash, which I recommend not going through because of this beautiful color of this Honda Civic Si. But as you guys can see, I'm going to spray the fortified quick coat here on the actual rear spoiler. And I'm going to use this microfiber cloth that Shine Armor sent me. As you guys can see here, it just cleans all that dirt and grime right off the spoiler. It does leave it shining. You guys can't even tell that it was even dirty in the beginning, but this is a really nice product. Be sure to check out the description box down below to save 20% off your purchase by using discount code DRIVE. And as you guys can see, also with me wiping the rear spoiler, the microfiber cloth here is now dirty. As you guys can see, it did basically eliminate that dirt and grime off the rear spoiler. As you guys can see, look at the other side there. I'm just gonna wipe it down. As you guys see, now it's gonna leave the rear spoiler shiny and whatnot. But special thanks to Shine Armor and also South Motors Honda for allowing me to use their cleaning products and also for allowing me to use the vehicle. But be sure to check out the description box down below.